So I was thinking about finding frogs in this hotel, but I found fish, which is cool, but look what I found when I sit here. Okay, can you see it? No, but I'm gonna show you with my flash on. Okay, flash. Here, can you see it? Look what it is. It's a frog. I was expecting to find that. Look. Yeah, there you go. Okay, let's find another one. So, I found one. Let's see if we can find more. So, one. Come on, we have to find another one. He's lonely. Oh, what did it trip on? Okay. I can't see anything, but my brother told me there's another one, so let's search for it. Should be somewhere around here. The hotel's name is Baywatch. This is a cool hotel. Not gonna lie. Where's the other? Oh, here! Here, guys! I found it! He is here! Look! So here's one, and there's the second one. So look for where the second one is now. Here! I don't think you can see it, but here. There's some algae over there. Okay, I'll show you the fish again. Okay, let's enter. Let's go. Okay, wait, I found another something. Look, birds. There are many birds, I can't count. Look. Okay, let me show you the fish. It should be inside. Okay, inside. This is a big one. Oh, this is also bigger. I hope I can feed them. Okay. So guys, this is it, and these are all the animals that I found. Let me search. Okay, these are all. So I'm out.